Hi friends and welcome to my video. In this video we are going to modify this Gixxer Naked One to a touring bike. So you can see we have already installed a bigger windscreen. Along with that we have installed the knuckle guards. In future we are going to install a small winglet for look purpose, and in this video specifically we are going to install a top rack with backrest, which is going to install over here, and the top rack is from Hypperrider, so you can check out the link in the description. Before that, let's start the video with a quick unboxing of the box we got from Hypperrider. So you can see the packaging from Hypperrider is top notch. So this is the backrest that we are going to install, and it is made from a very high quality metal brackets, and you can see there are some supports provided as well. So this is the top rack which we are going to install, and you can see it has come in a bubble wrap. So let me just quickly remove it. And this is the top rack which we are going to install on Naked Gixxer, and to install this we don't need any kind of modification because all kind of brackets and nuts and bolts are provided by Hypperrider. So a big thumbs up to them. So these are the bolts which we are going to use. So to install this top rack, first of all we would need to remove the pillion seat, and after removing the pillion seat you would need to remove the grab bars. For that you would need to remove this 4 bolts and 2 bolts in the very bottom of the bike over here. So let me just quickly remove this bolts. So once you remove this 4 bolts, you can easily remove the pillion grab bars, and you would need to remove these 2 bolts. So once you remove these 2 bolts, you would need to install this bracket which will give some support to the top rack from bottom. Like this, and you can see the holes are matching same, so you don't need to do any kind of modification. Just install that stock bolts back on its place, and for start tighten it with your hand so that you can remove it easily. And once you install this bolt, this is how it will look. And let's install the top rack. Just place it near the grab bars, and we are going to use the stock bolts as well. And you can see the holes are matching. We are going to use the stock grab bar bolts and install it on a crisscross manner like this, and again tighten it with your hand so that you can adjust it accordingly. So these are the bolts provided by the Hypperrider which we are going to use to install the side support. So in that we would need a bolt, 2 washer and a lock nut. So you can see the lock nut is also provided by the Hypperrider. So this is the side support that we are going to install to provide extra stand to the top rack, and the installation is very easy. And again tighten out with the hands so that you can adjust it accordingly. And repeat the same on the other side like this. To install the backrest, you can see they have already provided holes on the top rack, so you just need to tighten out 2 bolts which is already provided by them. And once you are happy with the fit in, you can tighten out the bolts with the proper tools to its fullest so that it does not vibrate on high speed. This is the final look of the bike. You can see it complements the bike and does not look like you have installed any aftermarket product. So let me just quickly give you walk around the bike. If you are watching till now, make sure you like that button and share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel to watch more videos like this. Before that, let me just quickly show you the strength of this top rack. So you can see the rider itself is sitting on the top rack, and this rider is around 70 to 80 kg. So you can see the top rack can easily take so much of weight. If you want to buy this top rack, the link will be in the description, and the same way you can install it on the new Naked Gixxer or Gixxer SF. Until then, I hope you have liked this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel. Wait for the next video converting this Gixxer into a naked tourer.